Hey guys, Buckwsr here, saving the planet one small engine at a time. And I'm sitting here with a Troy-Bilt pressure washer, a power washer with a Briggs & Stratton engine. And as you can see in that opening clip, it doesn't want to start. And I came across, I've already repaired it. And I came across a really surprising problem in today's diagnosis and repair. And I'd like to hear after you watch it what you think might have been the culprit. Anyway, it's back running again, so please enjoy the video and I hope it helps you in your small engine repair projects. Thanks. Hey, I wanted to try one more thing before we take that carburetor off. Let's see if it'll run on a shot of starting fluid. So open the air cleaner cover, move your air filter. We're going to shoot a little starting fluid right into the throat of the carburetor. Now this has an automatic choke, so since it's cold, it's obviously in the closed position. So I'm going to open it with a screwdriver just to spray some of the starting fluid in there. And we'll see if we can get it to fire just on that starting fluid. Let's see what happens. Give it a little more. Alright guys, that's surprising to me that it's not firing even on the starting fluid. So before I do go any further, I want to verify that it's getting spark. So let me go get my spark tester and we'll look into that. Alright, I've put my spark tester in line between the spark plug and the coil feed, and when we pull the string to start it, we should see a little orange light flash inside the glass there. It's broad daylight. You may not be able to see it, but we'll try it anyway. Yeah, I can definitely see it flashing. I don't know if you can on the video. So we're definitely getting spark. So that doesn't seem to be our problem. I'm sure it's fuel flow at this point. Yeah, so I decided to pull the spark plug just to take a look at it. And I'm a little perplexed. Mostly because if you look closely at the spark plug, you'll see there's no real gap. It's almost like it's touching here without the standard 30 thousandths gap or whatever it's supposed to be. It's almost like they're touching. We're certainly not going to get spark that way. So I'm not sure why that would be or what would cause that. That's just really weird. RC7YC. I don't know if I have another one of these. Well, we can at least gap it properly and try it again. Well, that was something. Let's give it another shot of this. Yeah, well, we made some progress. This particular pressure washer is outfitted with one of those, it says right here, idle down. So unless you pull the trigger to start the pump action, it's only going to idle, and then it kicks into higher RPMs once you pull the trigger. I'm not really a fan of it, and you could hear it idling but surging. So I do think it's probably in our best interest to, now that we got it firing, to I don't know what was the deal with that spark plug, but now that we got it firing, let's take that carburetor down and actually clean it out, clean out the main jet. I'll show you how to do that, and we'll see if we can get it running a little better. Well, we're back in business. I really don't like this idle down technology. I don't know why it has to do that. I don't see the advantage, and it still wants to like surge a little bit. But we got it running pretty reliably, and I think we're back in business. I'm really surprised that that spark plug issue that we had. Never seen that before. Don't know what caused it. I think it was the right plug in there. We got the right plug in there now, the exact same size, and it's doing fine. Thank you for watching me on this video. I hope it's of help to you, and maybe can save you a little money getting your machines back in business. Remember, guys, only you can put the do into do it yourself. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.